You caught me with the summer rain, with a window open wide. You found me in my hurricane, and you kept me there inside. And we watched the sky change, colors faded to gray. And we watched the sky change, and you let me stay. You found me in a lightning storm, with thunder in my heart. You held me when the rain began, and the sky began to part. And we watched the sky change, colors faded gray. And we watched the sky change, and you let me stay. I let you be my hero, my sweet prince on a white horse. You swept me off my feet, and you kept me on course. Watch the sky change, colors faded to gray. And we watch the sky change, and you let me stay. Blue eyes on a red dress, all of that sunshine on her shoulders, and a cowboy hat. Oh, two small hearts in the wind, trying to figure it out. Two small hearts in the wind, trying to figure it out. And the birds are singing like the rain falls, and the shadows dance, and all the dogs in the neighborhood bark. Oh, two small hearts in the wind, trying to figure it out. Two small hearts in the wind, trying to figure it out. figure it out. Too small. wishes were barren and I was your friend. They say the sun ain't the reason it turns, but I wanna learn it again and again. All my longings the same, all my questions erased. Oh, but you call my name. I don't know what that does, but it's enough. Sing out your name. You came up from the Delta to Midwestern hills. The cold of November is working your will. I'm working on listening and I'm learning still, 'cause all of your colors are soft. They're subtle but they come across. And all my longings the same, all my questions erased. Oh, but you call my name. I don't know what that does, but it's enough. Sing out your name. In the morning, making coffee, you hand me the sugar. You look good, honey, but I'd rather be in bed with you. Can we call in sick to work, to school, to life, to everything? Stay here like kids. Toes and tangerines. Spill the tea. I won't tell a soul what you told me. I will hold your secrets close to me. Ooh, like towels and tangerines. There's a store right around the corner. They got all the candy that you could ever want. It's a blessing. Towels and tangerines. Spill the tea. I won't tell a phone. We've got nowhere to go. Call me if you ever wanna get lost. I'll be the light, guide you through the dark. Don't even need a reason, just a feeling. And we'll stay right here until it stops. 'Cause I'm never gonna leave you. I'm always gonna hold you. I'm never gonna leave. And you don't even have to know until you turn around. When it gets late and you think of me, do you smile? Do you think it's a dream? I've always been right here for you to find me. And if you find me, I'll never leave. 'Cause I'm never gonna leave you. I'm always gonna hold you. I'm never gonna leave you. And you don't even have to know until you turn around. Call me if you ever wanna get lost. I'll be the light, guide you through the dark. Don't even need a reason, just a feeling. And we'll stay right here until it stops. 'Cause I'm never gonna leave you. I'm always gonna hold you. I'm never gonna leave. And you don't even have to know until you turn around. I'm never gonna leave you. I'm always gonna hold you. I'm never gonna leave you. And you don't even have to know until you turn around. At last I know the way they looked at me. And now I'll never go. Now I'll never leave. And when the fire dies, I know that you'll still be the spark inside my eyes, the way you looked at me. I held you in my arms, I held you in my thought. You left me when you came and took a part of me. And when the fire dies, I know that you'll still be the spark inside my eyes, the way you looked at me. I saw you in my heart. the spark inside my eyes, the way you looked at me. I wanna talk with you tonight. I'm thinking about a dream I had. I've been talking in my sleep. You know it's been that way for weeks. When you're awake, when you're awake, when you're awake, when you're awake. I feel like you've been gone for years, and I've been searching for you here, but I've been lost within myself, the one I was when I was young. When you're awake, when you're awake, when you're awake, when you're awake. I know you're far away from here. I wish I had you in my arms, but you can only hold me here. I wish I had you in my arms. When you're awake, when you're awake, when you're awake, when you're asleep at night, you'll visit me and tell me everything that's been on your mind. That's the way it should be. Maybe you don't know how to say I love you. Come on, baby, let's go to bed. You don't need to say what's in your head. I already know. I know you don't say what's on your mind to your friends. I know it's been like this a long time. When will it end? And when I hold you close, you don't say I love you. So come on, baby, let's go to bed. You don't need to say what's in your head. I already know. I love you, so come on baby, let's go to bed. You don't need to say what's in your head. I already know. Take me to a sunlit sea where the water's light and clear, with the ones I hold so dear, where everything is like it seems and everything is fine, and I could spend the rest of time in the sun. Take me to a sunlit sea where there's laughter in the air. The sand is warm, the hearts are bare, where everything is like it seems and everything is fine, and I could spend the rest of time in the sun. And I would hold you there when the world was growing cold, and you would be the warmth I know, where everything is like it seems and everything is fine. And I could spend the rest of time in the sunlit sea. The cafe's warm and welcoming. We laugh and chat and you say it's good to see me happy. You order coffee for two. I was always the bridesmaid, the third wheel in your sidecar. We were in the same book, but never on the same page. Now finally I've been down, and all the roads I've been down brought me here to this cafe where you order coffee for two. Now finally the stars align, and I'm exactly where I should be. I'm in love and I'm loved, I'm finally your bride. The cafe's warm and welcoming. We laugh and chat and you say it's good to see me happy. You order coffee for two. The cafe's warm and welcoming. We laugh and chat and you say